Hello everyone, welcome to Zoom tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you share a whiteboard with all the participants of your Zoom meeting. So Whiteboard is an application that is pre-installed in Zoom, or you can think of it as like a feature that a Zoom app gives to you. Using this whiteboard, you can actually help the participants to teach them in a much more interactive way using a virtual whiteboard. Okay, so let's see how can we create a whiteboard, or how can we share a whiteboard in Zoom. So the first thing that you need to do is go to the share screen option. Once you are in the meeting, you can just go to the share screen option, and once you do that, you can see that you're getting all these different options. You can share your entire screen or particular windows that you want to share with your other participants, or what you can do is you can just go to this option that is a whiteboard option. For the Mac users, there is this option of sharing their iPhone or the iPad screen as well, but for the Android ones, we don't have that feature yet. So for those who want to share the whiteboard, we can just click on whiteboard and click on share. Now what happens is a whiteboard is created, a virtual whiteboard is created over here. Okay, now we can use this like you want to draw something. So what we can do is let's just take a color red and let's start drawing something. Okay, so just like this, you can just draw something. You can write a message like this. You can actually teach them something. You can undo this, you can redo it, whatever you want. Then we have some of these symbols given here, like you can draw a circle, you can draw these different kinds of lines. These lines you can draw. You want to write some text, you can just write some text as well, like hello there. So this whiteboard is shared with all the participants who are present in the meeting. Furthermore, what you can do is you can actually download this whole file as a PNG or a PDF into your computer, or you can just clear all the drawings, or you can share this whiteboard with viewers as well, like you want to interact on something. So this whiteboard can be used by you as well as all the participants who are there, and they can just give their suggestions. So you want to clear those drawings, so you can clear viewers drawings, you want to clear your drawings, that you can do, or you want to clear all the drawings, that all you can do. Okay, so once you are done with the meeting and you have recorded the meeting, so this whiteboard, all of the whiteboard files that you have created would be saved onto your PC as well, along with the recording, so that you can share it with the participants afterwards. So this is how this thing works. This is how you can actually use a whiteboard in Zoom. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.